Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you, talking can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price go in, I say fix things. Rocket don't care how you bend things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people or things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back right, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, truth, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to trade without the tuition. Doing the steps. I was doing the steps earlier with CCM. Oh, hey, it's playing my song. But where has the bull run gone? So true. So true. Love this song. But we were on Crypto Coin Mindsets channel earlier. I had the treadmill going, but the sound was just, I guess, too messed up. Not sure if the sound is messed up right now. I have OBS with some of the filters. Hopefully it's okay. Crypto bubbles on the daily. So. I mean, we have POL, P-O-L. What was this, Matic? I hate when they rebrand. Up 15.6%. That's the only double digits I see. And then down was Night, double digits, 11%. Nothing really exciting, in my opinion. Go to the hourly time frame. On the hourly, ooh, green. Does this mean Bitcoin's going up? We're gonna find out in just a moment. I hope we're going up. I'm in a long. Uh-oh. I entered along this morning, right before I went to work, and I saw that it went up really nice, and it came back down. Hopefully, it's gonna be a bounce to the upside. Let's go. Let's look at the fear and greed index. We were at 27. Now we're at 25. We went down 2 points. Liquidation heat map. Let's refresh this. Looking at the 24-hour time frame, we're going to reduce this to 0.5 thanks to OW. So here we go. We have the crypto coin mindset viewers joining in. Appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. So 24-hour time frame, and with this also checked liquidation map, so we can see and just be a little fancier. Nothing wrong with looking fancy. Chris says, I'm in a few longs myself from last night. Still, actually, hey, there you go. See here, am I bullish? More bullish tonight or bearish? We're gonna find out in just a moment. But hopefully bullish. Hopefully we go up. We got some liquidations. More to the downside than to the up. Let's go to the 24-hour. Look at the 12-hour. Same scenario. We have nice liquidations to the top, around 92.1. Then this nice little area, 92.2. Wait, 92.1. Then 91.2. CCM raid in the house. What's going on, guys? Adobe Bull, what's up, man? So happy you're here. So happy you're here. Crypto Bedell, what's up, man? Appreciate you very much. CCM Raid, let's go. Let's freaking go. Thank you for everybody smashing the like. You guys are my favorites. Everybody who smashes the like, you're my favorite. Automatically. Right now we're getting our steps in. 3-day time frame. Ooh, doggy. We have way more liquidations on the 3D time frame to the top side. For the past few days, we've had a lot to the downside, like a lot. Right now, it's really bright to the upside. So does this mean that we're going to go up? Possible. Once again, we trade level by level. There's liquidations everywhere, guys. As we go up, price has liquidations to the downside. As we go down, price has liquidations to the upside. So for all you liquidation traders out there, just know that there's liquidity everywhere. It just depends where the market makers want to take the price. On the 1 week, we had lots of areas right here. And this is why I teach what I teach. Level by level. Just because we broke this level and we started going down does not mean that we're going to take all of this liquidations or even lower. Price can reverse at any moment. I teach this, guys. Price does whatever it wants. We came all the way down. We took 78.5 million, 61.75 million. We took 79.69 million. We took 61.86 million. And look at all these millions that we, within here, 89.3, and then here, 89.1, $200. $200 for Bitcoin is nothing, literally nothing. Why didn't the market makers want to just take all of this? 71 million sitting right here, $200 lower. Then you have 69 million, 56 million, so on and so forth. Market makers can make the price go up anytime they want or down. What we have to do is we have to trade what the market's giving us. And that's why we do level by level. Chris says, CCM raid, let's go. Mark Dutch in the house. What's up, Mark Dutch? Appreciate you, man, being here. Curtis Hill in the house. What's up, man? What's going on? We got Shep 333 in the house. Going on. You guys are great. You guys are great. Man, I just started. I'm doing 1.4 in the speed. I'm already sweating. Good Lord. When I was on Crypto Coin Mindset's channel, I was only doing a 1 for the speed because I knew I was going to be walking a lot. But I ended up turning it off kind of midway through just because the audio was messing up. Hopefully here it's okay. I got OBS with the filters. So we'll see. We'll see. Let's see here. Let's go to Clash. A lot of people like looking at Clash. It was doing this, whole bunch of nothingness. We were talking about the break of 0.01894. Once it broke above, it just went to the moon. 117%. We had a really nice retrace, then coming up, then coming back down. And I was saying, it still looks bullish, even if we were to retrace into the zone 0.02635, 0.2444. I'm still bullish on this. Granted, I don't trade it, but I do have people asking about it, so that's why we're looking at it. If we were to break below this box, and especially below 0.02346, not good. But anything above this is good. So right now, it's moving. It is moving. Newbie Crypto. He says, Daddy's here. Long and short today. What a day. What a day. Yeah, we're going to talk about Bitcoin right now. So we're looking at Bitcoin. And I actually entered along somewhere here, I think. Or maybe even here. I don't really know. No, I think I entered along here with a lower entry, I think here. Or somewhere here. Lower entry hit. And boom. But I didn't set any targets. What I wanted to do is I want to wait to see if it comes up here so I can move my stop into profit and then start doing my targets. And I didn't think we were going to like go all the way up here while I was at work. Then I see that it came all the way down. I was like, oh crap, did I get stopped out? I go and I look, it's like, no. My lower entry hit though, which was good. But right now, what I'm looking at, I am bullish. The other day, yesterday, I was thinking possible, what a lot of traders are looking at, inverse head and shoulders. We're right here. We ended up coming over, rolling over. Man, I'm really glad I didn't post a lot of charts or any charts really for longs. We did talk about some coins in reference to, you know, potentially them being bullish, but with everything moves with Bitcoin. 99.99998% of the alts move with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin rolls over, more than likely they're going to roll over too. So I'll give you a heads up. Let's see here. Shep says, I don't know crap about trading. It's been horrible. May just take a break and just stop by and visit you guys. Hey, that's what it's about, man. Don't give up. That's all I got to say. Don't give up. Steady, always learn. Watch us. Watch what we do. Watch our thought process. Risk management is super important. Super important. Will you win? Yes. And it feels great. Will you lose? Yes. Nobody wants to lose. Not only the feeling is horrible, but you're losing money. So as you trade right now, if you wanted to, trade with $10. You don't have to trade with a lot. Trade with $10. And what you're going to do is you're going to learn from, you know, your $1 trades or 10, 50 cent trades or whatever it is. Nobody cares. I'm going to tell you this right now. Nobody cares how much money you make. I don't care. But Joe, that's me. I don't care. I care about your percentage. Did your trade do 5%? Great. 1%? Beautiful. Did you end up losing and get stopped out and you lost 3, 4, 10%? Okay. There's always another trade. Do not worry about the money part, especially if you're new. What you want to concentrate, percentage. And again, I know everybody posts on X, you know, oh, this coin went up 85%. and I made $69,422. Okay, good for you. But they have different money. They may be trading with 100,000, 500,000. So just, don't compare yourself to anybody. What you want to do is you really want to concentrate on the percentage, not the dollars. So just to let you know. All right, let's see here. The volatile days I work, so I miss out. It's okay. You're gonna miss trades. I miss trades all the time. It's all right. When I try to force trades, I get destroyed. So this is a learning. It's all about learning. That right there, problem, solution. The problem is on volatile days, you miss out. That's the problem. And you force trades and then you get destroyed. So the solution is don't trade. Don't trade and don't force trades, rather. Don't force trades. Let the trades come to you. Set alerts. If you happen to, be awake or before work or after work, your alert goes off. You're like, okay, I like how it looks. Let me enter the trade. You don't need 10, 15, 20 trades. You just need one. That's it. Just one. One trade is all you need. All right. Let's see here. Take that break, yeah. And sometimes you just need to step away. If I'm doing trades and my setups are just banging, boom, man, winner, 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 winner. And then I lose a trade. Okay, it's expected. I'm not going to win all of them. Then I lose another one. It's like, oh, wait a minute. The market might be changing because normally I don't lose this much. Let me just sit it out. Just wait. And wait till the market gets better, whether it's to the downside or upside. Mark says weekend trades suck. For the most part, they do. By a lot. And then there's some times where we make good money on Sundays or Saturdays. So it just depends, really. It's pure gambling, yeah. Yeah, you really want to trade when there's volatility, when there's movement. And usually it's actually like Tuesday through Thursday, where those are the best days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to trade. Can you still make money Monday, Friday, the other days? Sure. 100%, yep. Chip says, I don't lose a lot, but money, but I lose a lot of time, and it adds up. Yeah, I get you, man. I feel you. Newbie Crypto says, I'm looking for a short. Let's go. I doubt Bitcoin will go up. Uh-oh. I hope it goes up. Right now is the perfect time for it to roll over. If it rolls over, here's my stop loss on my trade, 90.052. If we roll over, and this would be the perfect opportunity for it to roll over, it's going to roll over like we're looking for it right now. If it rolls over, breaks this level, watch out. More downside. And then now for me to be bullish, we need to break this level up here. Or this zone. Well, this zone is gone now. We don't care about this zone. Get out of here, zone. Nobody wants you. But let me get this. So now to be bullish, we need to break 91.623 in order for me to be bullish. Safer. Right now, I'm trying to catch the bottom. I try to catch the bottom over here. Went up, broke the high. Great. Pull back. I wanted to see a bounce here. Didn't happen. Maybe even here. Didn't happen. And now we're lower. So now, like if we get rid of this, get out of here. Nobody wants you. So this is what I'm talking about. The retracement, and the low of this extension leg to the high. Man, one candle? Really? I'd like to see a bounce here, 38%, maybe 50%. Well, actually somewhere in here. For this move right here, I would like to bounce here. It went all the way to 786. The lower it goes, the harder it is for it to go up. Can it go up? Sure. But this right now, I hope it doesn't do this. It can. We could do this. If we do, it gets stopped out. Or it can come up to 0.5 do this. If so, more than likely it'll break this level, break this, I get stopped out. Not good. What I want to see, and if I would have seen this pump, I would have definitely taken profit. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but I was at work. It's okay though. But if I would have seen this pump, I would have definitely taken some profit. I'm trading high leverage, and then move my stop loss to, I say, about here, to where hopefully I'm still in profit, cover my fees, and then I would have gotten stopped out. And then now I'm waiting for this to see if we break the pivot to the upside. If not, well, then I'm looking for shorts. But man, I really hope. And again, because we pulled back so much, it's harder to go up. The likelihood of it rolling over has intensified dramatically. So let's see if we can do this. Come on. I'm wishing for it. Is there a shooting star somewhere? Can we get another full moon, please? But that's what I'm looking for. Let's see here. So right now, for me personally, I'm kind of stuck in this trade because it pulled back so much and I wasn't able to, move my stop loss up, and it went lower than I wanted. The likelihood of it rolling over is about 87%. Just grabbing these numbers out of the air. There's no science to it, but rolling over, we have about an 87% chance because we went so low. But there's always a chance that we do this. And if we do, I hope we do, so I can take some profit. All right, moving on. Let's see if we can find a short. If y'all have any coins you want me to do, let me know. Just to let you know. Mark Dutch says, don't trade from Friday afternoon until Tuesday morning. There you go. I mean, that's some wisdom right there. And that's pretty much, like for me, when I first started, I was always, what are the best days to trade? And people would tell me Tuesday through Friday. Thursday. Tuesday through Thursday. Friday, people are closing their trades. They don't want to be bothered with it over the weekend. Monday, it's usually like a false move. Now, these are averages. For me, I trade when my alerts go off. That's when I trade. And I get that question asked a bunch. Do you trade the New York session or the Asia session? I just trade when my alerts go off. And normally I'm at the computer. Well, I used to be. And I'd see the setup. It's like, no, moved too much. I got to wait for the retrace. It already moved. It pulled back. Broke through the level. My alert went off. It's ready. Let's go. And then I enter the trade. Let's see here. Looking for a short. Okay. Let's see here. Forcing trades. Been there. Yeah. And it's really hard to, like for me, I want to take trades live so I can, show y'all like trading and how I trade and all that fun stuff. And sometimes it's like really forcing it. But if we, see a few different charts, there's sometimes we're like, man, this one's so good, we're going to get in because it's ready. But yeah. Newbie Crypto says Bitcoin has trapped 90.7 and so far has failed to break through that level. 90.7. So I'm guessing here, are we getting wick? I think that's what you're saying. Possible. We'll see. We got JR in the chat. What's up, JR? A fellow trader. The art of crypto. It's where you need to be at. The art of crypto. Calm down. The art of crypto. Right here. JR has a free Discord. JR, if you want, you can put your Discord in here, or any admin. You can please do that. JR has a free Discord. They go over trades, they go over chart setups, they go over questions. It's a great free community. I have a Discord as well, but JR's is way better. So I strongly recommend everybody check it out. They have the voice channel open. They share their screen. It's a lot of just knowledge. So definitely check that out. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, Rookies force trades. Experienced traders know when to trade, when the price, yep, 100%. 100%. Yep. So that's what we'll do. Like we'll go through charts. It's like this one looks okay, this one looks good. It's like, oh man, this one is ready right now. So what we're doing is we're actually filtering out some of the noise. So yeah. Chip says, everyone I watch scalps. I can't scalp. Have to learn to swing. Can't babysit trades. Yeah. See right there's another learning lesson too. Like if you can't scalp, the solution, swing trades. Now we just have to be very careful though with swing trades because like let's say we're gonna go long. Bitcoin's looking good. Bitcoin might look good for only 2 days, maybe 3. And then, you know, your trade, depending on your targets, may need 7 to 12 days. And if Bitcoin retraces, more than likely your coin's going to retrace, but hopefully Bitcoin starts going up. So your coin can also start going up 8 days later, 10 days later, hopefully your target's hit. But if it keeps on going down, well then swing trades, they're just going to like cost you a lot of money. Most scalpers lose money, 100%. Because you're doing leverage. So all you need is a little move to make money, but all you need is a little move to lose money and get stopped out. The safer trades is regular spot. Because you can have your stop loss much further down than you can with leverage trades. As Chip says, I appreciate the help though. I understand a lot. Just haven't got a good program yet. Yeah. Yes, indeed. It takes years. It really does. And everybody wants it like right now. I know I did when I first started. I wanted it right now. I paid for 5 mentors. 5 mentors. A lot of money. Ooh, doggy. Lots of money. Because I wanted a fast track. And what you realize is it takes years. It sucks. I know. And all these groups out there that, oh yeah, man, I'll make you a profitable trader, blah, blah, join my group, pay me, and they get rich. Then you see, you know, oh man, this dude's in $100,000 trade. He has $100,000. But guess what? It's because everybody joined their group and they got money to burn. Yeah. See, Frankie Candles? Yeah, Frankie Candles is good. I like him. See here, but I still enjoy talking. Yeah. There you go. Very true. I think my stops are too tight for swings. Chip, send me a message on Telegram. Do you use Telegram? Send me a message on Telegram. I'm not sure if you have or not. Here, I got a wrench. Let's go. You must learn risk management. Yep. That's the most important thing. Extremely true. Extremely true. And a lot of traders out there, like for me, I talk about risk management like a lot. Stop losses, the psychology of trading. I talk about that a lot. Because I think that's what's missing in the space. It's not sexy though. Nobody wants to hear that. They just want to hear, 80% gains, 40% gains. I made $13,000 in 30 minutes. That's what they want to hear. And the truth of the matter is, like, you need to know how to trade, and that takes time. We got Jesse in the house. What's up, Jesse? Chip says, and I trade only on Coinbase, so it's contracts. I downloaded Blowfin, but haven't put money in it yet. Yeah, for me, I like Blowfin. I had Coinbase, but the fees were insane. I never got the pro version. See here, I take 75% out, Joe, and leave a runner. Hey, look at you. So, like a lot of traders, they just want to leave runners. They don't take any profit. Like they'll go up, and they're making some good money. But it's like, man, let me see if it gets more. And it starts coming down. It's like, man, I don't want to sell half or 75% because if it goes up, well, I'm not going to make as much money if I sell some now. But we don't know how much is going to go up or when or anything. Like the market is very, very brutal. See here, LOL. Chip says, been long since the low of today. Ran up early, but came right back down. Still open. Break even. Hey, there you go. Make sure to have a stop loss. Very important. Very important. Ninja in the chat. See here. I'm on here for not knowledge. That's funny. See here. I mean sharing my personal knowledge. There you go. See. Is that a compliment? We got Alex in the house. What's up, Alex? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. There you go. See here. Very nice. Not financial advice. Telegram, where the real alpha has always been. Yes, I love Telegram. Alex, you just became my new favorite. I hate Discord. Man, I hate it so much. Now, granted, I have a Discord. Only because people want Discord, and I think it's ridiculous. But anyway, I can make videos for my VIP group. 5 minutes long, 2 minutes long, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, whatever. And I forward it to the free portion of Telegram. And this is for my VIP group. Because I'm updating you on Bitcoin. Bitcoin runs the show. You know what Bitcoin's doing, or possibly gonna do. Hopefully it'll set you up for nice trades so you can make money. But I don't put all of it in the free portion because that wouldn't be fair. But I do post a lot of the Bitcoin updates in the free portion of Telegram. So if y'all are interested, reach out to me, trade_intuition on Telegram. Now for Discord, I have a 40 seconds limit on Discord. So I don't want to pay for Discord. So I have to re-record the 5-minute video, put it in 40 seconds, and the first 10 seconds of it is always how much I don't like Discord. So you have 30 seconds of a 5-minute thought process. And for me, thought process is extremely important. So if you want Discord, links in the description. Just go to the link tree, find my Discord. But yeah, all right. Moving on. Let's see here. So yeah, Alex says, I gained like 50 pounds. Because of all the money you have in your pocket? What's going on? Melissa. What's going on, Melissa? Appreciate you. Yeah, it's 20% gain, so let's go. Chip says, I have Discord, but rarely use it. Yeah. Evening meals. Yeah. So this is my evening snack. I'm sure you can see it. It's grapes. Now the grapes that I had yesterday in a big old fruit bowl thing, they were so big, so juicy, so delicious. I said, man, I'm gonna buy me some grapes. I spent $8 on grapes when I should have just bought another $8 bowl because it has pineapple and melon and everything else. But I got these grapes. Yesterday they were like a 9 from 0 to 10. These like a 2, and I wasted $8. Me, stop loss hit. Yeah. Let's see here. We got Green Fingers in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you being here. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. I love questions, guys. I love questions so much. Questions, they do 2 things. One, it verifies, excuse me, it verifies that I know what the heck I'm talking about. Because I can just be blowing smoke up your butt. But if you ask questions, see how I respond. Do I know the answer? Am I struggling? Am I doing a lot of ums and uhs and so's and ands? Or do I know my stuff? Not only that, but there's some things I don't know. We'll look it up together. And the other thing that it does, maybe there's another trader that doesn't even know to answer that, to ask that question. So the most important thing for me is to validate me, to see if I know what the heck I'm talking about. So that's what, very important. Let's see here. Slattered FERTCI. Oh man, I always forget. How do I delete message? Let's see here. Going to the list. Chip says, I'll get Telegram. Yeah, and then when you do, I'll send you a video on how to protect your stuff, because you have to go into settings to hide your phone number. Very important. There's a lot of times where people will message me and I'll go and I'll check and I'll see that they have their phone number available to be viewed, and I'll automatically like show them how to hide that. So I'll let you know. See here, very nice, very nice. Okay, going to the list. See, your ship says, I bet I don't know more than you, Joe. You might, but you might not. I don't know. I don't know where you're at. And it's okay, like if you do know more than me, hey, I'm like a sponge. I want to learn. And I want to learn this up. Joe, that didn't make any sense. Just trying to transition to the charts. Oh man, right now, like I said, 87% chance we roll over. We went down too low. But man, here my stop loss too. Please don't hit. And I think I need to slow this down. We're at 35 minutes at 1.4. We have gone 0.8, I think, miles. Now I'm sweating up a storm. It's too hot. It's too hot. Let's see here. STX, we're looking at this. This is just a thought process. Price is here. No, price is here. And I'm liking it. I'm liking it for a long. I'm thinking we may come up to here, pull back to here, come up. We can enter. We actually went down slightly before going up. So because we went down, this right here I'm showing is actually this. Because we went down, we came up, we broke this level, we into the trade. And then if it does, go up some more than likely a lower high, pulling back to about here and continuing up. Now, if it breaks this level, pretty good for a short, because we can come after this, this, and this. So it's always plan B, plan A. Shep says, keep up the good work, Joe. Thank you, my friend. Oh, so it's funny. I bought this and bananas. And the girl, like, it's 10, whatever. I was like, man, $11. I was like, man, I should just buy a honey bun. And she's like, oh, they're cheaper, but they're not healthy, Joe. I said, I know. That's why I'm buying this, but $11? Come on, man. It's too much. And yesterday was like $11 because I bought a $3 thing and an $8 thing, fruit. And day before that, I think I only spent like $3, I think. But it all started when they had 2 fruit trays in the break room, and I had my taste of fruit again. It's like, oh, fruit. I love it. I love it. So yeah, let's see here. Whiff, ooh, not looking good. Whiff, uh-oh. We broke this level, 0.3872. We broke below, tried to go above, couldn't do it. Came back down. And now what we're doing, man, Whiff looks like a great short. I'm gonna short it. So let me change this. So Whiff, it's gonna be a short. I'm actually gonna get this to my, see here. Open anyway. I'm actually going to give this to my VIP group. And I'm gonna step away from the computer in just a little bit to actually enter the short. Okay. So before I do that, I want to see where it could potentially come down to. Man, this would be a great area for it to bounce. Come on, man. Give me a setup. Give me a setup. There. Yeah, 0.5. Dang it. So a really nice area for it to bounce, 382. I would like to see a bounce off of the 0.5. This is what I really like to see. But if we do break the level, which I think we are, I'm going to target the 618. And I don't think we'll come down to the 786. We might. I don't think we will though, but let me put this tighter. That way when I move this, go 4 hour. Let's tighten this up just a little bit. Yeah, it's so ready. I'm going to enter a short. Now what I do, which is different from a lot of other people, they enter the trade and then they tell you after. Right now, I've kind of been saying it for like 2 minutes already. So I am going to enter the short, and this is the zone. Come on, give me a chance. Give me a chance. This is a zone for it to potentially bounce, but I am going to short. And if it does bounce, I'm looking for this. This is what I'm looking at. And my stop loss, again, I'm gonna enter right now. As soon as I finish this, everybody's gonna have their stop loss right here. I'll do mine right here. And let's see here, stop loss, copy, paste. Oh man, 1 to 1. Come on. Come on. Well, it is what it is. So I'm gonna do my circles and everything. So this is gonna be our target. Now what I do, because I'm gonna post this for my group, I always give the setup first and then I take the trade. There's a lot of people out there that'll actually take the trade, and then if it starts printing, they'll share it with the group and then show the results like 10 seconds later, showing that they're up like 10%. It's like, how, man? Like, you crazy. This one, I'm gonna do a 3x leverage. If I wasn't on stream, I'd go higher leverage, but we're just gonna do 3x leverage. And again, I am going to enter the trade. That is going to be my stop loss. These are going to be my targets. Move this over. Go down, shift. Move this. Now I'm going to do 2 entries. I'm going to have 1 entry right now and another entry. Let's see here. I'll do my other entry right here in case we get a wick. That's not what I want to do. I'm gonna do my other entry right here. I'm gonna do this as blue. Dang it. Blue. And this is gonna be yellow, because that signifies aggressive entry. And then this is just in case a wick happens. Get a wick like that. A safer entry would be the candle close underneath this. This is white. So yellow means aggressive, and this means safer. Okay, so let me post this for my group. Copy the image. And here to this. Here to my group. And this one's going to be, let's see here, WIF. We do a 3x short, yellow circle equal aggressive entry, white circle equals safer entry. Stop loss. I normally put more thought process in this, but since I'm on the live stream, it's a little difficult. Targets 0.3557, 0.3426. I think that's it. And already placed it there. Okay. I'm going to do an audio clip for this. Hey guys, how's it going? Right now I'm doing a live stream. Width looks really good for a short. Now granted, it's a perfect area for a bounce, but to me it's looking kind of weak. And especially, you know, with Bitcoin potentially rolling over, this may be a nice little setup, you know, nothing crazy, 2x, 3x. And for the higher entry, I'm looking for 0.3908. If we do go down and come up, looking for potentially a wick to get that higher entry. All right, that's all I got. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, put it in the VIP chat. Appreciate you. Take care. Okay, that's an audio. So let me go ahead. And this is aggressive. This trade right here, right now, it's aggressive. So I'm gonna enter this aggressive trade. I can find my camera. Joe, you just want to take a break from walking. Calm down, calm down. So, second, let me get this trade set up with. Still here, guys. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. So with, I'm gonna do a 3x short. And okay, I'm gonna do my stop loss. Stop loss is 0.4043, 0.043. And firm. Okay. And I'm going to show you that I'm in it. So just one moment. Yeah. Okay. So it should show right now that I'm in it. Okay, it did. All right, coming back on the treadmill. I did not fall on my face. There we go. All right, so let me catch up on the chats. Hey, what's going on here? Let's see here. Let me check the chats. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit. Yeah, I see it, man. I don't want it to roll over. And I don't want to close out my long. Oh man. And I would hate to move up my stop loss to like really, really tight just for it to come and get it and then moon mission. But come on, man. Come on. So we'll see. Now, whenever we do aggressive entries, just know it's just that, it's aggressive, because we could come down to come up and we end up bouncing off of the 0.5 and then continuing up, we'll get stopped out. Again, you know, winning, losing. Right now, if the market was looking like really nice, the probability of a bounce off of the 0.5 would be like 87%. Joe, you said the same thing, same numbers. I'm just grabbing things out of the air. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. And again, nothing too crazy. 3x leverage. Nothing crazy. Let's see here. Is anybody streaming? Good Lord, please be streaming somebody. I'm tired of walking already. Tired of walking. Let's see here. And thank you for everybody smashing the like. If you haven't done so, please smash the like. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We show you how to trade. We show you how to trade. Let's see here. I don't think I'm in profit right now. Let me see who's live. But I think I'm gonna have to move up my stop loss. Nobody's live right now. Let's see here. You're the best. Alexander G, you're my favorite. You're my favorite. So Newbie Crypto says, why don't you take some profits on that Bitcoin long and move up your stop loss? I don't think I'm in profit. I think I'm at a loss. I think I entered here, maybe. It was before I went to work. And then I know it came down, got my lower entry, and then went to the moon, but I didn't see this. I didn't set targets because I was hoping, you know, later on today, maybe even tomorrow, we'd be up in this area. But we shot up really nice. If I would have seen this really nice move, I would have definitely taken profits, moved at my stop loss to cover my fees, and then I would have been stopped out. And then I'd be waiting. But I do have my stop loss here, which is fairly tight. But yeah, we'll see. We shall see. All right, guys, we're going 49 minutes on the stepper with the speed of 1.4. We have traveled 1.13 miles. Let's go. And then earlier today on Crypto Coin Mindset's channel, I was only going 1 on the speed, and I traveled only for 30 minutes. Boring. I know. But that's gonna be it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. Let's see if this whiff trade plays out. If we come up, and like I said, you know, if Bitcoin goes up, we have a really good chance of this also coming up and getting us sucked out. And then this would be a really nice long, not that we're flipping and flopping, but right now, Bitcoin's iffy because it pulled back so much. And if Bitcoin rolls over, this will be a beautiful spot for whiff to come down and get this minimum, but hopefully come down further. So we'll see. All right, guys, that's it for me. I do thank you very much. Now I gotta figure out how to turn this dumb stepper off. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you on the next video. We go live every single night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. If you haven't already, smash the like. Watch my videos with the thought process. If you want more thought process on Bitcoin to hopefully help you out with your trades, give me a message, trade_intuition on Telegram, and we'll see about getting you some just added information. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care. And let's do our steps. But I gotta figure out how to turn this thing off. Where is the button? 1.4 in the speed, 51 minutes, and traveled 1.18. Joe, you already said that. I know. All right, guys, thank you so much. How do you turn this off? Oh, here it is. Oh, finally. Man, that was a lot of walking. Now it's time to get some money. Trade these trades. Let's go. All right. See you guys. Take care. Ain't got no chicken wings. Shep, you're my favorite. Love you, man. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Yo, you already said bye. Okay, bye again. See ya.
Talk clear when you speak, paper talk. Crypto talk, ayy. Ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings. Ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings. Ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin.